about to tell you guys the hardest part about affiliate marketing. Most of you probably think that starting your business, getting sales, that type of stuff is probably going to be the hardest part. You couldn't be more wrong. I've been affiliate marketing for 2 months and I've already made thousands of dollars from my affiliate marketing business. So take this from somebody who's actually making money online. The hardest part is getting started. Most people will wait months, even years to start their affiliate marketing business. And for that simple reason, they never give themselves the chance to make sales, to make that money online. If you learn the right way and set your business up to work for you, the sales will come. I think I made 25 sales or more in my first 2 weeks of affiliate marketing. But if I could go back and change one thing, I would have started way sooner than I did. Because now I realize the possibilities are endless.
Good day everyone, my name is Kairat. If you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, as an affiliate marketer over the years, I've tried several methods by which I can get sales and leads to my platform. I've tried paid traffic system which include Facebook ads, YouTube ads, solo ads and so on, and also some free traffic system. And over the years, also as a software developer, I've developed a software which I've been using for a while now, and it has been giving me excellent sales. Yes, because your traffic system and where you get your traffic from is one of the things you need to consider if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. So I have this software which I've been using and it has been giving me excellent results, like the results you can see on the screen. This is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine on his ClickBank affiliate marketing platform. So this software works by getting and gathering organic leads online from digital platforms and search engines and promoting your leads or platform to these leads for you to get sales. And I can guarantee you that you are going to get excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. This is one of my students that got my video course and software, and I'm studying my video course, and because my video course will take you step by step on how to use my software to generate sales and get excellent results like this on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Because my software is only applicable to ClickBank, but you can use it on any affiliate marketing platform. You can use the software to generate sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So remember to get my software today and start earning real good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Contact me today on my Gmail at skyway07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyway07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to join the clique of the smart ones that can make it edge and earning real good on their affiliate marketing platform. And remember, my software is only able to ClickBank but other affiliate marketing platform. And if you are getting my software video course, I'm going to open an account for you, a ClickBank account and a sales page for you, which you will start earning from it. And remember, there's restriction to some countries, yes, because not all countries are allowed to open ClickBank, but I'm going to open an account for you. If you are getting my software and video course from any location, yes, there's a way to go about it, and I'm going to create an account for any of my students that is getting my software and video course. And to remember to get the video course and software, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyway07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyway07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get the software and video course and start earning good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Remember, once again, I go by the name Kairat and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.